gentlemen, in a few minutes we will be starting with the blessing of our court, and eventually we will be having our program wherein we will be enjoying the brand new court here at Ding Society Pickleball.
Dear brothers and sisters, we gather today with gratitude to God for this new facility. Through sports and recreation, young people and adults alike learn discipline, teamwork, perseverance, and respect for one another. As we dedicate this place to God's glory and for the good of all who will use it, let us ask for His blessing upon this facility and upon everyone who enters here.
Your presence means so much to us. This court represents more than just a place to play. It's a place where friendships will grow, healthy competition will thrive, and our community can come together to have fun and stay active. Most importantly, a place where everyone can argue where if the last shot was really in or out. We are truly grateful for the support of our family, friends, partners, and everyone who helped me make this dream a reality.
Hi guys, it's me, 30. It's my first time playing here in Ding Society, and the atmosphere is actually really nice. And the ambiance, also the court.
And aside from that, it's very near from the location. It's in Rizal, so we can really hang out together with my friends, and for a place to meet, connect with other people too, who loves and plays pickleball.
Thank you for coming for this one of our special event, which is the grand opening of Ding Society. So you're welcome all. Then yeah, enjoy tayo for the game tonight.
Hey guys, one thing that I really love with Ding Society is the community. Everybody here is so welcoming, especially if you're a beginner. Hindi ka matatakot na ito yung maging first pickleball court mo. I'm inviting all pickleball lovers and aspiring pickleball players here at Ding Society.